Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change Canva website URL. In order to do that, you have to come on this website Canva, and now you have to create your website. For example, if you have created your website already, you can just simply click on your website. I will just simply select the pre-created template. As you can see here, I have selected this template. Now, for example, right now I want to change the URL. What I would do is just simply go on this publish website, click on there. Right now, just scroll a little bit. You will get to see this pencil icon. Click over there and remove everything. Now you have to set your URL. For example, I want to create URL for education, education related. Now just simply put URL, the name, and you will get to see this. Now just click on the publish. It will prepare your design. So as you can hear, the Canva's website URL has been changed. So if this video found helpful to you, then subscribe to the channel and thanks for watching.